Hey guys, this is me Ammar and welcome back to our channel Ampnics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make customized design of the PCBs. So if I turn on the 3D model of this PCB, you can see a basic rectangular shape. What if you want to make your own custom design? So how you can do that? For making any custom design of PCB, basically you need to use these tools: a line tool, draw arc tool, rectangle, circle, draw polygon. Most of the time you just need these four things, and apart from these things you need to use this grid size. So when I use this grid size, it will make more sense. So as of now, I'll just keep it to 1 mm. Okay, and layer should be edge cut. Okay, select the edge cut layer. All right, and then first of all I'll show you the basic one: draw rectangle. Okay, so I'll just draw a big rectangle. As you can see here, if I turn on the 3D model, you can see there's a basic rectangular shape. What if you want to make a circular shape? So for circular shapes you can make something like this. All right, so if I turn on the 3D model, now you can see a circular shape here. I don't want a circular shape, I want to make my own custom design. So how can I do that? Suppose I want to use this PCB in a keychain. So I will make a hole this side and I'll make a circular shape here. All right, so let's do it. First I'll draw a rectangle for reference. Okay, all right, something like this. I'll draw a rectangle, a basic rectangle. Okay, so I want to shift this connector this side, so I'll decrease the size of grid. Okay, now I can touch it here. All right, now I want to make a arc because I don't need this sharp edge. So for making a circular shape, I will use this arc tool. Okay, and for that, okay, I'll change the size as 1 mm. Okay, and draw arc, and theta should be 0 degree here, and here it should be like 90 degree. Okay, then leave it, and I will decrease the size 0.5 mm. I'll draw a circle here and I'll keep it 1 mm. Okay, then again I will go in line tool. Okay, and I'll make a reference line from here to here. All right, then I'll make one line from here to bottom, then again one line, then from here top. Okay, now I'll select the previous rectangle and I will delete it. So as you can see, we have created a customized rounded corner here. So if I turn on the 3D viewer, you can see we have created this. What if you want a cut here as well? So let's do that as well. Okay, I'll keep this designator this side, I'll delete this line. Okay, and I'll touch a line there, and 8 mm, 2.5 mm depth, 0.5, 0.5. All right, so oh, here we got a cut as well. So this is all the basic techniques for making the customized design of any PCB. In this way you can make any customized design as per your requirement.